Hi, good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
I am Jonis Jean Martinez Lacambra from Caranglan, Nueva Ecija. I am 37 years old. I am married with two daughters ages 17 and 11. Uh, I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate and I have a work experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 3 months starting November 16, 2021 up to May 8, 2025.
Okay, what are your main duties?
My main duties there is to cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes. Sometimes I'll cook, and sometimes I will take care of the children ages 11. 8.
Oh, you take her the 8 years old boy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I saw that you don't have experience in taking care of a newborn baby, but are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
First of all, I wash my hands, wash the bottles,
Okay.
then pour some water, water and milk, then shake it and give it to baby.
Okay. Shake it, check
The temperature of the water and then give it
give
to
it to the
baby.
baby. Okay, if the baby is crying, what would you do?
If the baby is cry, I will play with her or him. Then
Okay.
uh, I will check if the baby is sick, if it is hot.
Okay, what else?
I will check the diaper if the diaper is full.
Okay. If still crying, what would you do?
If he or she is still crying, I will call my employer.
Okay, you will inform your employer.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Uh, I want a big salary, ma'am, because my children study.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me, I will stay.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, how will you learn?
I'll watch YouTube or read some recipe books, and if my employer wants to teach me,
Then are you willing?
I am willing to learn.
Okay. Is it okay to you to share room with kids or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am, it's
How
okay.
about is it okay to you to take care of elderly?
It's okay, ma'am.
Is it okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
I saw that you have a long hair. Is it okay to you to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
Okay. Can you promise not to use a cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay to you to have alternate day off?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
Okay. If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay to you to eat the food that your employer provides?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay to you um to take care of disabled elderly?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Uh, Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I will do my best to be a good helper. I will be responsible, trustworthy, and you will never regret it.
Okay. Thank you so much, M5, 895, Miss Jonas Jean.
Thank you.